Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FamilyMath number 852.
FamilyMath852. So today we're going to talk about the square root of 2, and the square root of 2 being irrational. So you told me you did this in your school class this week, and we've talked about it before. Do you know how to prove the square root of 2 is irrational?
I sort of remember how it works, but I don't think I can write it out.
Well, that's all right. Well, maybe we can work through it. Tell me how you think, or just tell me some ideas you think you have about how you might prove it.
Well, the proof I sort of remember is about proof by contradiction.
Okay.
So, being irrational means you can't write it as a fraction, A over B, where A and B are in lowest terms.
Yeah, where A and B are integers in lowest terms. Yeah, sorry, our markers are running low. So is this one better, A over B? And this one's better temporarily, A over B.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that means we start by assuming you can do this with the square root of 2.
Okay.
I think that's that's the proof that I sort of remember.
All right. And what would that mean if you can do it? If you can write A over B as the square root of 2?
Well, that means A and B would be numbers, integers. You couldn't simplify this fraction anymore.
That's right. So let's write A over B equals square root of 2.
Alright.
And what does that actually mean? That A over B equals the square root of 2? Does that tell us a property that A and B have?
The square root of 2.
Or how about this? What property does the square root of 2 have?
Well, it's squared. It's if you square it, it's 2.
Okay.
So I guess we could square both sides. Squared. That's 2.
Okay, so now we would know that A squared over B squared was 2.
Yeah. Well, maybe now we could get rid of the fraction and sort of maybe simplify it a bit more.
Okay.
Be multiplied by b squared.
Alright, let's see, maybe we can get that up there. What would happen if you multiplied by B squared now?
So you have a squared equals 2b squared.
Alright. Interesting.
And now I think this can tell you that a is even.
Alright, why? Why does A have to be even?
Because a squared is 2 times b squared.
Mm-hmm.
So if the fraction, or if a squared has a 2 in it, that means it's even. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so now we know A is even.
A is even.
Okay.
Let's see. What can we do next?
What would that mean? What does it mean that A is even?
So A is like 2 times some number.
Okay. And what would that mean about A squared?
It's 4 times some number, so like
Alright.
4 times x.
Alright, so why don't you write that now?
So we have A squared is
4x. Why don't you write it as 4x squared, which equals what?
This equals 2b squared.
Alright, nice.
So if we just take this part,
Uh-huh.
we can divide by 2 on both sides. So we get 2x squared is b squared.
Uh-huh.
Now this means that b also is even.
Oh, interesting.
So if they're both even, that means we can at least divide a 2 out of the fraction A would be, but we said before that these fractions were in lowest terms.
Aha. So we actually
we shouldn't have been able to do that.
We have a contradiction now.
And now if they're in lowest terms now, that means we can do this whole process again.
Yeah. Hey, good job. Great job, huh?